Ano yung bago dinagay nyo? Lagi sinigang po. Sarap, no? Kakaiba eh. Parang may isang anghel sa ating labi na nakakaulap at nangingiliti. Kung ang alat at asin ng buhay ay tulad ng kain ni inay, basta siya ko buong doon, magiging payapa at masaya.
New Maggi Sinigang sa Miso. Sige nga, i-describe mo ang sarap. Good night, buddy.
Good morning, Dad.
Favorite cookie.
Ayan na yung bagong sinigang nyo.
Sinigang sa gusto.
Sarap, no? Nakaiba eh.
Oo.
Parang may isang anghel sa ating labi, nakalutan sa ulap at nangingiliti. Kung ang alat at asin may tulad ng kain ni inay, suspecha ko buong mundoy.
Wala niya sa akin.
Ngayon, makakain ako. Kay Chris na payapa at masaya.
Go. For me, doing a commercial is an extraordinary experience. Actually, it is my first time to involve in this type of project. It is a funny experience imitating one's commercial. My classmate will act as the endorser and it is very funny seeing them doing it. But it is not all about the fun. It is also about the experience we got from it, the bonding we made, and the laughs we share. So by this, I would like to thank Ms. Luz Labuson for giving us this remarkable project. And for my cooperative and funny group mates, thanks for the nice experience. Margaret.
First of all, I would like to thank Kurt and my group mates in the memorable experience and unforgettable commercial in my life. This is my first time to do commercial ever since I study in Quezon. I am Franz Marvin, signing off.
I am glad that I was able to help in conducting this project in public speaking.
It was overwhelming to be appreciated for something you work hard on. I can feel the struggle of doing this because I was enjoying the company of my funny and humorous group mates. Thank you for Ms. Luz for giving us the opportunity in having this kind of project. And thank you for my group mates in cooperating to our commercial. This is Krisha.
I would like to say thank you to my classmates because they participate in doing our commercial, and for the extra who helped us finish the commercial successfully. It was a funny experience editing the original commercial because we have the chance to change it the way we want it to be. I'm Larry for this commercial.
I'm thankful because we did this kind of project in public speaking. I'm also thankful for my teacher, Miss Luz, to my group mates, and to all who help us for the prop and anything else, and my classmates who supported us positively. Go.
First of all, I would like to thank my classmates in making a successful commercial. It was fun, exciting, and a very memorable day with my group mates and classmates. I would also like to thank the extra in our commercial because they help us to make our commercial successful. I will not forget these memorable experiences in my life. From Paul.
I'm expecting our commercial as a successful one because of the uniqueness of the show and the cooperation of our members. Although our group has done a lot of retakes on that commercial shoot, hopefully our group had a good commercial. Thanks to Krisha, Earl, Marga, together with the other members for taking their time just to do our commercial. And more power, God. Sam.